Hi everyone, welcome back. In this session, I am going to discussing about alphabet test. Let's continue the last session. In this session, I am going to discussing about some letter word problems. Here, the first problem in this session is how many such pairs of letters? Guys, these kind of problems will definitely ask in banking sector jobs. At least one question in each and every bank exam, at least one question he will ask from these kind of models, especially how many such pairs of letters are there in the word corporate. CORPORATE. It is completely, this problem is completely depends on, there is no particular calculations. You just want to read the alphabets continuously. See here, as it is the word corporate, each of which has as many letters, as many letters in the same sequence between them in the word as in the English alphabet. So you have to start with C. You can start with C and read all the alphabets, whether it is satisfying or not, then it will be good for you, easy to check also. C. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. No pair is formed. With O, P, Q, R, S, T. No word is formed. With R, S, T, U, V, W. No word is formed. And with P, Q, R. Q and R. Here P, Q, R. This is one word. PR is one word. One pair. PR is one pair. Next R, S, T. Here P, Q, R, S, T. This is also one pair. PT is also one pair. After that, no words. Next O, P, Q, R, S. Next R, S, T. This is also one pair. R and T. Next, after that, A, B, C. No. Now you have to see from reverse order. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Next T, U, V, W. No words, no pairs are there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. No. R, S, T, U, V. No. O and P is one pair. O and P. O and P. That is one pair. After that, OP. See, once you got this fourth pair, now there is no need of checking remaining pairs. Why? Because in the given options, none, 1, 2, 3, more than 3. Here we have none, we don't have none of this. Here we have more than 3. Whenever we have more than 3, definitely you can directly keep option E is the answer once you got the fourth pair, and remaining pairs are not required to find also. But I will explain whether is there any pair formed or not. I think option E is definitely option E is the right answer. We'll check it out still any more pairs are formed. O, P, Q, R. No. P, Q, R, S, T. R. No. Only 4 pairs are formed. Only 4 pairs are formed. So the answer is more than 3. Option E is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. Here also same question, but different way of asking the question. How many such letters are there in the word backlash? You have to write all the letters first. Backlash. In examination point of view, no need of writing all the letters. So directly you can count the letters. Now, from starting onwards, A, B, C. Sorry, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. No. Next one, B, C, D, E, F, G. No. C, D, E, F, G, H. C and H is one pair. C and H, that is one pair. Next one, K. K, L. K and L is one pair. With K, we'll see remaining. M and O. No. L, M, N, O, no. A, B, C. Next, S, no. Now, in reverse order. In reverse order, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Next, S, T, U, V, no. A, B, C, D, no. L, M, N, O, no. K, L, M, N, next. C, D, E, A, B. See here, A, B is one pair. A, B is one pair. That is in reverse order. Total how many pairs are formed? 3 pairs are formed. Therefore, our required answer is option D. 3 pairs are formed by using the word backlash. How many such letters are there? 3 such letters are there, which are each of which as far away from the beginning of the word as it is from the beginning of English alphabet. Option D is the right answer. Next one. How many pairs of letters are there in the word repercussion? Write down that word. REPURCUSSION. Repercussion. Same thing. Start reading from here onwards. STU. STU. R and U is one pair. R and U. U, V, W, no words are there. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, no. P, Q, R. QR is, PR is one pair. PR is one pair. R, U. Next, S, T, U, V, no. Next with U. After U, no words which are after V. So, we cannot make any pair from that. Next one, R. STU. STUV, no. Next, C. B, C, D, E, F, G, no. U, no. S, T, U, no. S, T, U, V, no. I, J, K, O, OP, no. Next, reverse order. In reverse order, NO. NO is one pair. NO, PQRSTUVWXY. No. Next, with O. With O, that is PQRSTUVWXY. No. I. JKLMNOP. I and P. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. I and P is one pair. Now we got more than 3. So directly you can keep the answer as more than 3. There is no requirement of checking remaining also. Yes, TU. TU. SU is also one pair. And after that, next S. TUV, no. U, no. C. DEFGH, no. No pairs are formed from that. R. STU, no. U, no. P. Q and R. Here also one pair is formed. PR. PR in reverse order. That is also one pair. So total 6 pairs are formed. Total 6 pairs are formed. So the answer is more than 3. More than 3 is the right answer. Option E. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching.